try to do practice on whatever we have discussed in the class. Do the practice of the class on the same day. Okay. Answer. Name static is not defined. Okay. Here I have to import that static also. From dot on dot URLs dot static import static. You have to write this line, okay? From django.configuration.urls.static, you have to import that static. I'll explain the scenario once again, how to do it and okay. Yeah. Here also I have an error. The media URL setting must end with a slash. I will click a slash here. Django will show each and every error in the terminal itself. Just we have to understand that error and we can rectify that error. Okay. Again, I will explain you the flow once again. How to post an image and how to display that image. Okay. First of all, I have to write models. If I have an image in my field, in my fields, if I add an image field, I mean file field or image field in my models, you have to do migrations. If you add any other field after migrations, after table creation, you are working with the table and you have a requirement. There is a need of another field in your table. Then you have to come to your models and you have to add that field into your models, and again you have to do migrations. But before that, you have to give a default value to your field. Simply you can give a default value here itself in single quotes. Okay, you have to give a default value and you have to do migrations. If you give a default value here and if you go through the migrations, then here it will not ask any default value. If you give here, it will not ask here. If you ignore here, if you neglected to give here, then it will raise a question here. Do you want to give manually, or here itself you want to give? It will give two options. You have to select the first one and give some any value here, and after that you can migrate it. Okay, but better giving here is better. Okay, giving here is better if you want a default. If you are adding any model after if you are adding any field. Okay, now I have added some image field here, and you have to write views for that. Let's compare the views that register and I'll compare these two views. Okay. Yeah, these are the two views I have written to post the data. Okay. These are the two views I have written to post the data, but the difference is in this contact, I don't have any media to get posted, but here I have a media file to get posted in my form that which saves in our database. Okay. So you have to add along with this request dot post, we have to add request dot files. Okay. If you have if here just we are uh, posting data. We are not posting any image or media files here. So simply I can use request dot post here, but here I'm going to add a media file. That's why we, by keeping a comma, use this request dot capital files. Okay, then only you can able to post the data in your DB. On that in previous class also I have shown you one by one process. Okay. Uh, and also after this you have to go to HTML image register.html. Here you have to give name, image, and type as file or image, whatever the type you want, you can give here. And then here it is very important to mention encryption type equal to multipart slash form data in your form tag. If not, your image will not get stored in your database. Okay, simply you can by clicking on E, you will get a suggestion enc type. Enter. By entering, you will get three suggestions: multi-part form data, applications slash some x www slash form dash unrecords or text slash plain. You have to select this one. Maybe I'm using it frequently, that's why I got this suggestion in the top, but you may get it in the middle or at the end. Okay, select multi-part slash form data, and as usual you know how to write URLs for your views. There is no changes in your in writing URLs because we are not passing any ID or email in our function name. That's why there is no need to uh, pass ID like this. Simply you can write like this. Okay. After posting data, the data will get saved in our database. First of all, I try to register. I'll add some details. Enter, choose file. Register. Registration was successful. Now I'll go to database. Yeah, this is my data. Aurora is my DB name. This is my table, and my table name is customer. I have registered this vendor one at gmail.com just now. Okay. Now I'm going to display this image. If I try to click on this profile, I am getting nothing here. Okay. Just I'm getting some path and my image name. That's it. But I want to display that image. For that, I have to do. Yeah, this profile now. Yeah. In TD, I have taken this image x.image.url, but here you should not take directly. You should not take image tag directly. Okay. If you have any image, if you want to display any image, you have to use image tags. Okay, image tag in src, you have to give that image x dot image. Okay, let's see. Let's see what will happen. Even though I didn't get my image perfectly, I got some broken images like that. Now I will use dot URL. Let's see what will. Yeah, here my image got displayed. Dot URL it will show our path of our image where we have stored that image. The path will take by this dot URL. Okay, like this. By using image tag, you can display your image. Okay, but and also the important things are in your settings.py you have to use these two settings, because those images, css and some js files are all called as static files. Okay, so you have to do some configurations for your media files and some media which are in static files. Okay, so here also in URLs you have to add this line. Okay, this is very important. Okay, if you add these two configurations only in your settings and URLs, then only you can able to display your picture. Until and unless you can't see your picture in your website. Okay, like that, whatever the images, whatever the documents you want to upload, you can upload, and also you can see them. Okay, for example, I will try to a document file now. Okay, I will show you how to upload a document file and how to display that document file. There is no need to do these operations always. Okay, once if you do it once, it will be useful at the till the end of your project. There is no need to mention always. There is no need to mention these code of lines. Okay. I have to add some resume equal to models dot. I'll use file field. I'll give some default value as one. Migrations and migrate. I'll go and check whether I got that resume in my table. Okay, I got that resume in my table, and also I've given some default value as one here. That's why the one got displayed here. And also, if you give the default value there itself, then uh, uh, it will take the default value what you have given. If not, it will take it will ask in our terminal. Then there also you can view the value. Okay, whatever the value you want, you can give over there. Okay, now I have to mention this field in my HTML page also. In register.html, I'll add this field also. Whatever the field you want, you can give. Okay, you can give any document field, document, whatever the label you want, you can give. Okay, input type as file only, name I have taken as resume, right? Required. Okay. Already I have mentioned uh, request.post in my views now. There is no need to mention it once again. Okay, it will work for both images and these document files. Okay. Here the server is okay. I have to run the server. Yeah. Here I got resume also. Now we'll mention. Guys, can you see my screen? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now I'm going to register once again. When I'm clicking on choose file, I'm getting different types of folders here. Different types of folders. Okay, select one. Resume also. Select. Okay, I selected one. I'll click on register. Registration was successful. I'll go to DB and I'll check. Here, my resume has been, sorry, some PDF file has been submitted in DB. Now I'll try to get that profile. For document tags, you have to, there is no need to mention image tags, okay? Because we are viewing document, right? So directly I'll use anchor tag here and let's see without using this anchor tag. Let's see what will happen. X dot resume dot URL. As I have given default values, okay, I'll show you. As I given default values, I'm getting media slash one here. Here I'm getting my path, that's and the name of that document. So here I'll use that anchor tag. In href, you have to give this data, okay? Href, you have to give this data, and if you don't give any word here, you can't see the document here. I'll show you. Okay, you can't see any name here because just I have given anchor tag, but not mention any word here. Here I will give some document. Give some name to your anchor tag. Okay. Okay. By clicking on document, here there is nothing. That's why I'm getting error. If you have any document, that will be displayed here. Okay. If you have any PDF files, that will be displayed here. If you want to download, you can download it by clicking here. That's it. Okay. Now the image is oversized here. I mentioned some 8 equal to 200 pixel and width equal to some 400. Yeah. This if you want whatever the lens and beds height or width, whatever you want to look it beautiful, you can give the that values over there. Okay, like this you can give data into your uh, project, and also images and PDFs also you can give like this. But thing is, here while I am choosing a file, I am getting all types of files, but I don't want to get all these files. Just I need image files only. Okay, maybe they may be in JPG format or AVIF format, WEB format, whatever the format it may be, but I want to get only images. Okay, for that, what I have to do? Register in image, we have to accept equal to, here you have different types of uh, conditions. Take IMA image. Here these are all formats. Okay, these are all image formats only. Okay, JPG, uh, these are image formats only. Okay, GIF, GIF, like this. Okay, if you want to accept all type of image formats, then you have to give star. If not, you have to mention JPG, comma PNG, like that you have to give. Okay, now I'll try to use file. If you observe, now I am getting only image formats. You will get folders also, because you may have some images in these folders now. That's why. Okay, I'm getting all JPG. Here you can see PNG. Here this is Chrome HTML. Uh, like this, whatever the image fields you have, you will get here. Okay, if you give that condition accept equal to image slash star, then it will accept only images, not PDFs and all. Here also we can use that condition. Here I am getting some images now. Now I will try to give only PDFs. Accept star slash star means it will accept all. There is no need to keep any conditions out there. Okay. Application. These many types of applications you have. Okay. You have so many types of applications. Applications slash star. Then it will accept Word documents, PDFs and all. Okay. Here, up to now, I got only before I got all image files also, but now I'm getting only applications here. Only applications, PDFs, some software applications, some PPT formats, Word documents like that. Now I will show. Just I want to get PDF. Just I want PDF. That's it. If you observe, I got only PDF files. In this folder, you may have PDF files. That's why it is showing folders. Okay, only PDF files, not any other files. Like this, you have to give some instructions to your website so that it will look more professional. Okay. Now I want to show you some duplicate registrations. Okay. Duplicate registrations means the registration should not be done if it is already, if that email or mobile number is already registered. Okay. In our while creating Gmail or any other while we are registering to any other websites, if you registered once to that website, if you try to register once again, it will give you a warning that this email already registered, please try with a new email, or like that you will get an error, a message, right? A pop-up message. In the same way, you can also we can also implement that condition in our project. I will show you how to do. In views only, we have to write that condition, because views only we will write all validations, condition checkings, and all here only. No, I have given form equal to, okay, here I am taking email equal to, it will show this in two ways. Okay, request dot post. I want to show, I want to check for the duplicate email condition checking. Okay, request dot post email. Now from this table, I am going to check whether this email, this is nothing but the email which we have posted in our form. Okay, that will be checking with our table. Okay, if you have the email which we have posted in our form in the table, then you will get an error message. Like I'll show you. If what is our table name? Customer dot objects dot. Here we have to use filter because we are checking among different mails. No, so you have to check filter email. This is the email which you have in your table. Okay, this is the name which you have in your table equal to email. This is the name which we have taken in our views. Okay, dot exists. If it is exists, you have to use colon, because I have used if that if condition. No, return here only, it will return to that page. Okay, return render request register dot html, and I'll pass a message like message this email already registered. Okay, this email already registered. Else it will go to this form. Okay, else it will go to this form. That's it. You have to keep all these conditions in your else. Okay, it's I'll check the errors here itself. Okay, I'll try to delete the previous one which I have same email. I have two customer@gmail.com. I'll delete this. Now I'll register once again. Let's see. The same email. I'm using the same email here. If I click on register, it will ask for this. This email, I got a message like this email already registered. Okay, like this you can able to find whether your email got registered or not. You can write a condition here. Okay, so that it will look some more professional to the users. Okay, now I'll show message in different color. Okay, the message is not highlighted. I'll use this in a paragraph tag. You can also use in H1, H2 tags also, your wish. In this paragraph, I'll use style equal to color to red. Okay. Register. I'll register with the same email. If you observe, I got a message in red color. This message is very clear now. So now this message, our message has been combined with this form, but now it's looking somewhat different. Okay. Here, this email already, we got the error, email already registered. Okay, you can use this condition. Okay, so there is no need of any other conditions that will be more deep. Okay, like this, if you have any duplicate emails, you can check like this. Let's wait. Okay, I'll show you that one also. I said that I have another method to get the email now. I'll show you. That will be somewhat confusing. First, try to do this, be perfect in this, so that I'll show you that concept also. That there's nothing but if form is valid, then you have to use form dot cleaner data of the field name here. Okay. Here you have to give some variable email equal to form dot cleaner data that email. Now you have to write this condition here. Here you have to write these two lines after this line. Okay, then you will get that same message. Okay, but this is enough. Okay, this is enough. There is no need to go to that process. If you be perfect up to here. Okay, we have completed all thread operations, right? We have posted the data, we have retrieved retrieved the data, we have updated the data, we have deleted the data, and also we have done some condition checkings here, duplicate emails and all. Okay, yeah, I'll show you one thing. We have done contacts, no? View contacts and also edit, delete in this. But in registration also we'll do that edit and delete. You can do your edit and update and delete operations in your registration. Generally, we have update and delete for our profiles only. Okay, I have shown in this contact section, but you will have update and delete operations in our profile section only. But while you are going to update, you have to take all the fields, right? In view context, we have taken edit. You got all the fields. If you try to miss any one of these field, then the update operation will fail. Okay. So in registration, if you want to do edit operation, you should not mention password in that edit field. Okay. You should not mention that password field in that edit page. Okay. You should have all the fields except that password, but it will not work out without giving all the data. No. So then you have to do some modification. For example, let's think mobile is our password, but it should not be shown to other people. Okay. For example, if for example we are using some Instagram, if you give that Instagram to your friends, you can they can access your profile, they can change all the details of your profile, but they can't change your profile because so they can't change your password because it will ask for the old password. They don't know that old password, so that's why they can't change. But if they find that password field in your profile page, in update profile page, simply they can change the password and they can uh, give their own password, right? So you should not mention that password field in your edit page. For example, let's assume our mobile field as a password field, and I'll try to explain you by showing this as your my password field. Okay. Edit contact. If you want to, if you, I need this password field in my form, but it should not be able to visible to other people. Then what I have to do means simply you can use a condition here, hidden equal to hidden. Okay. Hidden equal to hidden. Simply by clicking on H, you will get a suggestion hidden. By clicking enter, you will get until found and hidden. You can use hidden. Let's see. I have also given label here now. I'll show you how to manage that. Okay. That input box has been vanished, but this field will be presented in my this field will be present in my form. I will remove this label so that, yeah, this here we have one field and we have data in that field also, but you can't see that field. If I try to change any details like hidden password, the data will get modified, but but they will not show any error because we have hidden that field. If I try to remove that field in my, I'll try to remove that field here. I'll keep it in comments or else I will remove it. Okay, I'll remove it. Now I will try to edit once again. Hidden password. Remove that field. No data has been modified here because you have to mention all the data which is in your models. Okay, you have to mention all the fields which are in your models. Okay, this is very important. Okay, like that you can do edit and delete operations. Okay, file data has been changed because I mentioned that mobile field in my edit page. Okay, like this you have to do edit and delete operations, and also you can write conditions for your registration. I'll give a task today. Try to do edit and delete operations for your profile page. Okay, we have done to the contact now. The same thing you have to do for register. First of all, try to do for contact, try to practice in contacts. Then you have to do it in register. Don't forget to mention some conditions in form tags, and also while you are editing, you have to write your in your function name, you have to mention request dot files also. Along with request dot post, you have to mention request dot files. Then only your data will get updated. Okay. In this way, we have completed all the basic functionalities in our project. I've said that I will give a template today, but tomorrow I will give. Okay. Tomorrow I'll try to send the file. Okay. I have to discuss with my management. And I have to share that file. Okay. Today I will proceed with that discussion, and I will share that file in our group so that download it and keep it. I'll explain you how to do the remaining process with that template. Okay. We'll do we'll integrate the template to a nice website. Okay. From tomorrow, don't miss any classes. Okay. Some of the topics will get revised from tomorrow. I'll do from scratch now. That's why you have to follow all the classes. Okay. That's all about today's class. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay. If you have any notes, you can message me. Okay. Uh, please listen the classes and ask the doubts. Okay. Okay. Then have a nice day. Bye.